Okay, let's continue. Tapusin kita sa rational equations. Paalin kong bukod siya not equal, rational inequality. Inang dusod ro, inequality signs, rational inequality. So, sample problem. Bro na to na. So, may aton nga x. Wait lang. Pero naton. X plus 1 over x minus 2 is less than 0. Okay. So yun naton the value of x which makes the equation or the inequality true. Dapat daya ko no less than 0. So ano value of x? So, paalin doon. So first natong obrahon, gaset kita it boundary. Uy, lobat man. Gaset kita it boundaries it daya nga equation. So may atong numerator, denominator. Okay. Butangan nato niya. X plus, wait lang gali. Set natin anay sanda sa equal to 0. X plus 1 over x minus 2 is equals to 0. And mas-set yun din kita it boundaries. So, x plus 1 is equals to 0. Ag x minus 2 is equals to 0. 5 pagbugara. Daya denominator, daya numerator. Okay? Daya hay x plus 1 is equals to 0. Ang daya x minus 2 is equals to 0. So yun natin do x, do boundaries. So x, sinaylo natin do 1, ito sa piyak, magiging negative 1. Daya, sinaylo natin sa piyak, magiging x is equals to 2. So, the value it aton nga boundaries kung sa number line negative 1 ag 2 sakto ay negative 1 ag 2 gali. Okay, so tungaon naton para may division sa tang daywa na usoyon naton next step. Uy, parang okay, usoyon naton kung sa euro naton kung daya nga excess the value of daya nga mga boundaries nga is included sa inequality. So first natong obrahon i-plug naton the negative 1 sa inequality. Original tag sa inequality gid ha. So negative 1 plus 1 over negative 1 minus 2 is less than 0. Same as 2. Ibutang man naton imaw sa aton nga inequality. Plug oy saga oh. Ibutang naton imaw sa aton nga inequality nga ra. Paalin doon. So 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 2 is less than 0. Be, solve naton. 1 plus 1, negative 1 plus 1 0. Negative 1 minus 2, negative 3 is less than 0. 0 divided by negative 3 is 0. Less than 0. Is 0 less than 0? False. 0 is not less than 0. Equal sa ng daywa. So, false. Next. Ano, wait lang din naka-explain kung ano ibig sabihin karon. So, dahil pagid 2 plus 1, 3 over 2 minus 2, 0 less than 0. Dahil nga ra is undefined. Di mo masairan kung ano sabat ka ra. O di mo ma-explain kung ano sabat ka ra. It's 3 divided by 0. Although may explanation ka mo, pero mathematically, hindi mo maka-divide. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. So, meaning, do positive 2 nga ra, ag do negative 1 is not part of the solution. It inequality. So, if may number line kita, let's say, for example, may number line kita, tiko man natong number line, May aton man ang number line. Okay, ratong number line. So, kita RT gida ako, no? Okay. Daya manara aton nga, nga aton nga, kay negative 1. Daya ratong 2. Meaning, do negative 1 not part of solution. So, agad matandaan naton, it hollow na circle. If, for example, truth araya nga ra, bukod at false, mana for example, let's say, truth ama na imaw, true. Meaning, kung true imaw, solid, shaded, rato ni butang, naubtan. Pero kung buko ni true, hollow. Meaning, the negative 1, not part. The 2 is also not part of the solution. So, next step. Gausoy kita sa regions nga ra, daya nga ra, paadtong dait negative infinity, daya nga ra, paadto it positive infinity. Gausoy kita sa regions A, B, and C. Kung si N karon sa mga numbers di karon sa sudit doon nga region, di makasatisfy sa inequality. So, dahil mahaba-habao natin nga pag-screenol, tandaan natin do inequality. X plus 1, x minus 2 is less than 0. So, tandaan natin din yan. So, mapili kita, dato galigin obra di karahan, nag-test kita. Nag-test kita iya. Kasi malipat ka mo kung nag-inalin kita iya. Nag-test kita iya. Mo man yung spiak nga side. Nag-test kita if do x, value of x is true or false, or do they belong in the inequality, or do they satisfy the inequality or not. So, they do not. Now, kasi that number nga makasatisfy sa inequality. So, from A, ano ro number nga magumugang from negative 1 to negative infinity. So, from A, so test, let's say test A. The point is negative 2. Sa test B, we have ano ro number between negative 1 ag 2 nga madali, 0. And test letter C mana, sige, 3. The smaller the number, mas manami mo i-gawing test. Okay. So, ratong inequality, x plus 1, check natin. X plus 1 over x minus 2 is less than 0. Check natin. So, negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 minus 2 is less than 0. Negative 2 plus 1, negative 1 over negative 2 ag negative 2, negative 4 less than 0. Negative 1 divided by negative 4 is positive 1/4. Now, mas mabahaw ba or mas maisot ba 1/4 sa 0? This is false. Since mas mabahaw dapat daya. Kasi 1/4 imaw, daya 0. Dapat nakatubang aruan ng inequality sign. Pero since nakatubang aro inequality sign sa 0, less than or 1/4 sa 0, this is false. Let's move on to test letter B. 0 atong nagamit. So, 0 plus 1 over 0 minus 2 is less than 0. Abit na naton. So, 0 plus 1, 1. 0 minus 2, negative 2 is less than 0. So, raya nga ra, 1 over negative 2. Rayang negative sign, negative 2. Pwede ron imaw maging negative sign na nandang daywa. So, you can write them as negative 1/2. It's less than 0. Now, is this true or false? this is true. Since a negative number is always lesser than 0. Kasi mag-negative, kung naano pa tayo mo iyaron, basta negative sign imaw, sa piyak imong side, sa left side imaw, it's 0. So, meaning, this is lesser than 0. Okay, this is true. Next, yung makita sa piyak na side. Test C. So, 3 ratong pinili. So, 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 2 is less than 0. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. Less than 0 is 4 less than 0. This is false. Since 4 is bigger than 0, this inequality is wrong. So, meaning, letter B at agidro true. So, the solution is B. So, from negative 1 to 2. Negative 1 hasta it 2. Now, included ba garo negative 1? Kung included ro negative 1, we will use brackets. Pero since tagin check naton imaw kaina, the negative 1, in-check naton imaw kaina araho sa test, false imaw, false do naka atong nabugan. So meaning bukod imot included, parenthesis atong gamiton. Root 2, beto na naton kung included imaw, undefined, no solution, meaning 2 is also not included. So, running sabat. Negative 1, 2. Now, if may 2 or more than, 2 or more nga regions nga nakasatisfy sa inequality, pwede ka kagamit word nga and or do sign nga union or another mandayon nga set of numbers. For example, like 7 man naag o negative 3 to negative 1 o aron included 1 man na, for example, or not included 1 o aron. So that's it. So basta rayro sabat. Box the final answer.